Hi Mia, today I'm going to show you how to use a protractor, which looks like this, but first you got to know its angles. This is 90 degrees. It is a right angle. This is an obtuse angle. It's more than 90 degrees. This is an acute angle. Is less than 90 degrees. This is a protractor, and you see it has angles and numbers on it. You can use a protractor by measuring angles and drawing angles. I'm going to show you how to draw angles first. This is a acute angle. Now I'm going to show you how to measure angles. And it's 30 degrees. Bye.